What's going on, you guys? It feels good to be back. I haven't uploaded in like almost 2 weeks, which is not good. I mean, no, I said I was gonna be uploading every day, but I was on like a vacation. I was traveling all over the place. I was in Utah for a little bit, then I was in Texas, and then I went to Las Vegas to actually go to ComplexCon and see Travis Scott perform, which was insane. But I'm home now. It was a nice little vacation, nice little getaway, but we're back now. I traded yesterday. I ended down on the day just a tiny bit yesterday, but today we took 2 dubs. Today was my first real day back and we took 2 dubs, which was absolutely amazing, up 80 points on the day. Market was just straight dumping today, like literally all day. As you can see, market opened up right here, and then at about 10:30 we were down 255 points after market open. Like an hour into market open we were down that much, which is just absolutely crazy. So the whole day I was just looking to play shorts. Anyway, we ended up getting 2 short entries and hitting on both of them. Let's just jump straight into it. So I replayed over here onto 9:30, and I will go ahead and show you guys the zones that I had drawn out. So first was this area up here. This is all on the 5-minute chart, by the way. First area was going to be this area up here where we had showed rejection right here, here, and here. Just a pretty strong area up there that I wanted to play longs if we could break and hold above it. Next zone I had drawn out was this little low right down here, and then this low down here. Ideally, I wanted to see us break and hold below this low to play shorts, because we had a lot of imbalance, over 90 points worth of imbalance to the downside right there. We had a little bit of imbalance between these 2 zones, but not as much as right here. And you can see we were able to take a trade out of both zones. And we did hit both of them. So ideal situation did play out today, fortunately for us. Price action was absolutely great today. I'll hop onto the 1 minute where we obviously actually go ahead and execute our entries, and I'll just show you what we did. So market opens, boom, right here. We're just dumping a little bit. First trade I take actually was a little riskier because we didn't yet close below the zone. However, I saw that we tapped into it. We were very bearish going into market open. 5-minute Hikinashi was extremely red, as you can see right here on the right hand side of the screen. Bearish starting all the way from over here, 8:25 in the morning. So even an hour before market open, we were just so bearish. Market open, we closed very bearishly below this low right here and held. And then after this candle right here, even though that candle was green, I was confident enough to take shorts. Entered it right there, got filled. A little bit of a riskier play on this one, I will admit, but we were fortunately able to hit full TP in just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes. So super quick trade. I'm not going to give it an A+ setup. That one I'm probably going to give a B+ setup. So not the best of setups, but I was willing to roll the dice on that one. And we took a dub on it, which was absolutely great. Now that we tapped into this next zone that I have down here, once again, if we zoom out onto the 15-minute, you can see that this is a much more significant low than this low right up here, but I actually had that marked out on the 5-minute like that, as you can see right there. Drop back down onto the 1 minute, obviously still looking at shorts. You can just see how bearish we are, and we've been in this downtrend for just hours now at this point. So I'm still looking for shorts. Boom, we closed below the zone right there. So now I'm kind of looking for a little bit of a pullback or consolidation or retest of the zone, and then something that's just going to show me that we are going to make our next leg down. We started to just consolidate a little bit. I'm kind of glad I didn't take my entry early, because this kind of consolidation would have scared me out a little bit. We closed below again right here. I was kind of iffy about this. I thought maybe we could have been finding a bottom. However, I still was favoring the downside. I ended up taking my entry right here upon the close of this candle right here. So I saw that we had this high right here. We came back up, kind of retested it. We're in this zone, but as we're in the zone, I'm also looking at what's going on. While price is moving around here, we had this high, kind of tested it up here in big top wick. I was confident enough to take my entry off of that. Got filled right there, managed to get my SL pretty much just at that high, which was good. And then we pretty much came straight down. I actually ended up, I remember taking 30-point TP on this one because of this candle right here. So right down here, I actually was 1 point away from TP. And then as soon as I saw this candle start to rip up so much, I actually exited for about 30 points profit instead of 40. So still positive risk to reward ratio. Gonna change our RR on that trade from about a 2 RR to about a 1.5 RR. So I'm still not mad at it. Anyway, we did end up coming down and hitting full TP. So if I did stay in it, I would have hit full TP on it anyway, but I'm not mad at it. Boom, I was done right there. Could have looked for another setup right down here. I believe we actually started to reverse. Possibly could have taken another setup right here, and then TP would have been down there. I don't even think that would have got hit though. So it's good that we managed to take our 2 dubs right up there and just be done on the day. That's gonna be it for the trade recap, guys. I just want to say thank you for the support as always. I always like to say it in every video just to show my gratitude. My life has really been changing a lot within the last couple of months, and especially within the last couple of weeks. And going into next year, I've got a lot of big things planned for things I want to get done, goals that I have for my social media pages, whether that be the trading accounts or my business that I've started. I have a lot of big goals, and going into this next year, I'm super confident in my abilities and things that I'm going to achieve. And I'm trying to just finish out this year as strong as possible. I moved down here to Florida from New York just over a year ago, and the kind of path that my life has taken it's just crazy. I think about it a lot, how everything kind of lined up perfectly. I'm just super grateful for everything that's happened to me, super blessed to be in the position that I am, and I just want to remind you guys to always just stay focused, keep your head up, keep your blinders on, just keep grinding, because I promise you one day this is all going to pay off. I'm nowhere close to where I want to be yet, but I thank God every day that I am so much further ahead than where I was. And that's kind of my thing that helps keep me going in life. So just expect within the next couple of months, I think I'm gonna make a new TikTok account where I just kind of post on it, like talking to the camera. I don't really enjoy making the short form content videos anymore, to be honest. Like, they get decent views. Also, from the hurricane thing, it kind of like ruined my account. I think I'd rather just start an account on TikTok where I just kind of talk to the camera, and just record it like this instead of firing on my camera. And then having my camera like this on my computer. I like doing these kinds of YouTube videos. I prefer longer form content over short form content any day. It's just, one, I can be more authentic in the way that I act, and two, it's just, they're more fun to make. Trading is going well. Everything's just going well, and it's all a part of, God's plan for me. I truly believe that. Trust in Him, thank Him every day for the opportunities I've had. I'm super grateful for all of it. And this is just the start. We're still growing. Make sure to sub up if you guys haven't already. And I'm just going to keep posting every day. Like, once again, I know I was on a little bit of a break from YouTube, but I am officially back in business now. I'm going to be trying to posting every day. I'm not going to promise that I'm going to post every day, because posting every day is very, very difficult. I'm not going to lie. And I want to be putting out quality content. So I'm just going to try to be, posting as much as I can. I'm going to start, probably just start making vlogs. I don't know. I'm just going to start winging it. I'm just going to stay consistent. That's all that really matters. It doesn't really matter what you do as long as you show up every day. Even if you, only give 20% effort, if you showed up, I still consider that AEW. So that's all I got, guys. Stay focused, and I love you guys. I'll see you tomorrow.